Are you hearing that at home too? It's time to change the batteries in our smoke detectors. It's National Fire Prevention Week, and we have some tips on smoke detectors. So if you've been hearing that beep, it's time to change the battery. We recommend that you change the battery twice a year, once around Christmas and again at 4th of July. And they do have a shelf life of about 10 years. So if it's been past that, it's time to replace your smoke detectors. It's pretty easy to open it up and replace the batteries, just like this one. And if you hear this sound, it's time to exit the house.